Cleaning station's great. It's a very simplistic design, all stainless, aluminum, small footprint, closed loop design. It allows the customers more dilution control, so they don't have to, waste a lot of product.
It don't matter if it's oil or grease or your dirt and grime. It breaks it up, cleans it up real good.
Get the solution down right, put it down, let it soak up a while, and 5 minutes or so, just mop it up, and it dries real well.
It works a lot better than the more expensive degreasers that we've used in the past.
Proof's in the pudding. We offer the trial basis, 1 week, 2 weeks, for them to actually see how good it does. That's really the best tool we have.